Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
Chapter 5, Tax Expenses. In this chapter, we will examine taxes as they relate to business expenses. Let's begin by looking at a few common types of business taxes. Various taxes paid by a business are deductible. These include excise tax, franchise taxes, occupational taxes, personal property tax, and self-employment tax. Other types of business taxes are not deductible. These non-deductible types of taxes include federal income taxes, estate and gift taxes, state inheritance tax, legacy tax, and succession tax. Taxes may only be deducted in the year that they are paid, regardless of which accounting system is used by the business. However, if a business uses the accrual method, taxes may be deductible before they are paid if the business meets the exception for recurring items. If a business meets the requirements for the Uniform Capitalization Rules and produces property, taxes must either be included in costs of inventory or capitalized.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.